Hey guys, Lex over here, and I'm standing in front of a house I just finished, and now I'm debating whether we're going to turn this into an Airbnb or list it on the MLS. Let's go ahead and take a look at the inside. All right, we made a few other videos already that you've probably seen. One was after the tenant moved out, and then we made another one during the middle of the repairs. Now the house is completely finished, right? So it's completely rehabbed, and it's ready to either turn into an Airbnb, which means we'll have to put furniture in and list it, or if we wanted to sell it, put it on the MLS and sell it, right? So basically, this house right now probably could be listed for around $339 or $349, and it's about 1,100 square feet. We've done everything new, right? So flooring is new, life-proof. This is the luxury vinyl plank, LVP flooring. And the color theme that we're going for is the gray and white and silver. So let me show you what I mean by that let's go over to the kitchen and I'll show you that. Okay, so this is the color theme we're talking about. So we found that the brown theme we used to use previously is a little outdated. A lot of people today, a lot of home buyers are looking for a more bright look. So this is white quartz cabinet, countertop, right? And the cabinets are white. We've got stainless steel. We've got stainless steel appliances. So the look that we're going for, if you're looking at the colors that are coming out, is basically three colors. There's white, there's gray, and there's stainless steel, all right? There is some brushed nickel as well on the sink and the faucet, but the look is very uniform. It's a very clean look, and a lot of buyers like this look. All right, so in the bathrooms, once again, we're sticking with that same look, right? So this is a faux granite countertop. We've got white cabinets, and we've got a simple white vanity. We've put a little bit extra into the shower. We've made it nice. We went with the rain shower faucet and nice shower door, but the look once again is very uniform, and we're focusing on those colors of white, gray, and silver. Okay, this is the other bathroom, so same look. You may notice that we've got two stand-up showers, and the reason we've done that is because we were thinking about turning this into an Airbnb, and with Airbnb, if you put a bunch of people into a house, a lot of them actually prefer showers over tubs. Very simple, uniform look. We've got the same faux marble countertop in a gray with a white cabinets, and we're using the exact same tile, the same shower door, sticking with the uniform look. A house like this will be very easy to furnish and turn into an Airbnb. It will also be very easy to list on the MLS and sell. All right, so you may remember seeing this outside patio on a previous video. So all of this was originally wood, right? And we got it stuccoed, and as you can see, it substantially changes the look, as does the tiling of the floor. Before, we just had a regular concrete. So it makes quite a difference, and this is a nice space out here for someone. If we were going to be turning this into an Airbnb, certain things you could do would be to put TVs out here, to put a nice sofa set, maybe put a pool table or a table tennis table, or maybe even a jacuzzi, and round it out with a good look. All right, so we'll keep you guys posted and let you know whether we do turn this into an Airbnb or whether we list it on the MLS. But this is a rehab. I've shown you from start to finish, when the tenant moved out, during repair, and now the end result. All right, guys, so thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.